Isaac Newton is widely considered one of the greatest scientists of all time. He revolutionized the world of science with his theories and discoveries, paving the way for many of the scientific advancements we see today. But what was his most significant discovery, and how did it change the way we understand the world around us? Most people associate Isaac Newton with the story of the apple falling on his head, and for good reason. That event sparked his curiosity about the nature of gravity and led to one of his most significant discoveries. In the early 17th century, scientists were trying to understand the motion of the planets in our solar system. They believed that the sun, moon, and planets all moved in perfect circles around the Earth. But this model had a problem. The planets didn't always follow the same path. Sometimes they moved faster, and sometimes they moved slower. Isaac Newton set out to solve this problem in his book Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, which he published in 1687. This book laid out his three laws of motion and his law of universal gravitation, which became the cornerstone of modern physics. Newton's first law of motion states that an object will remain at rest or in motion at a constant velocity unless acted upon by an external force. His second law states that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the force applied to it and inversely proportional to its mass. And his third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. But it was Newton's law of universal gravitation that was his most significant discovery. He realized that gravity was not a force unique to Earth but a force that governed the motion of all celestial bodies in the universe. Newton's discovery revolutionized the way we understand the universe. It allowed us to predict the motion of planets, stars, and galaxies with incredible accuracy. And it paved the way for many of the scientific advancements we see today. From space travel to satellite communication, Newton's discovery has changed the world we live in. Today, we continue to build on Newton's discoveries, and his legacy lives on in the work of scientists and researchers around the world. Isaac Newton's discovery of the law of universal gravitation was one of the most significant scientific achievements of all time, and his contributions to the field of physics continue to inspire and educate us to this day.